nandito na po tayo sa ilang latte macchiato, daddy green tea, and one kain tayo. Bon appetit! Apparently, the car wash is a busy day. Daming sasakyan nagpalinis. Sa avenues lang wala masyadong people. At least dito mga sasakyan ang kaharap na. Aliyam? Bigoy. So wala mo ng face recognition ngayon. Puro enter password. Paano makilala ng cellphone ang face? Ano nak? Bigoy. Bigoy. Walang pakialam din. Still in avenues. Oh, wait. Ulit. At konti pa rin ang tao. Takot pa rin ang mga people. Yan, walang katao-tao. Pati mga restaurants. The restaurants also. Pati ang BF dyan, wala masyadong tao. You use money, anak. Oh. Why are you sitting there? And she found her girlfriend for a long time. Hi. Oh, you remember her?
Shy.
Why?
Because she had a dog boyfriend and a kid boyfriend. What is that?
You tell Miss Vanna now. What is
No!
that? Why not? Huh? What happened? Were you sad?
No.
Are you upset? No?
She has two
Are you
already.
heartbroken?
No!
So you're okay with that? She has two?
Yes?
Yes.
I don't care.
You don't care?
No!
Okay, I'm going to send this to Miss Vanna. You still like her?
Hey! What did you just say?
You said.
Don't dare you do it.
What?
Closer to Tita Vanna. Don't you dare.
May lahi yun. We're having our Dinner, pizza, dinner.
Uwi
Choosing by
ng maaga
Google.
yun si Papa.
Oo.
Maghanda na lang tayo.
Yan. Konti lang din tao dito. Yan o, sa likod, tingnan nyo. Usually, punong-puno yan ng mga people. Lalo na Friday. Ngayon, iilan lang ang mga tao dyan.